So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very important session for all those who want to make their career in राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल इंटरव्यूज. I hope students हमारे दोनों चैनल PD क्लास और इंटरव्यू गाइड आप इंजॉय कर रहे हैं और बहुत कुछ यहाँ से सीख रहे हैं. तो सबसे पहले मैं वेलकम करता हूँ अपने शौर्य को. शौर्य, यू आर फ्रॉम इटारसी, मध्य प्रदेश. शौर्य, आज हमारे पास एक और कैंडिडेट आया है मध्य प्रदेश से. हिज नेम इज मिस्टर तनिष्क. ओके, एंड ही इज फ्रॉम मोरेना. यू आर फ्रॉम इटारसी. कितना गैप कितना है, कितना किलोमीटर्स का गैप है आप दोनों के बीच में?
100
ओनली. ओके, चलिए मैं आपको नेक्स्ट मिलाऊंगा काजल से. शी विल बी आस्किंग यू लॉट मेनी क्वेश्चंस. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ कैंडिडेट मिस्टर एम अर्जुन. ही इज फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु. ओके, चलिए सबसे पहले मैं अपनी शुरुआत करता हूँ इस मॉक सेशन की आपसे. सबसे पहले आप मुझे ये बताइए दैट हाउ विल यू लिव इन बोर्डिंग स्कूल. अभी तक आप बोर्डिंग में नहीं रहे?
सर
नहीं रहे, तो आप मैनेज कैसे करेंगे बोर्डिंग स्कूल, क्योंकि आपको मालूम है मिलिट्री स्कूल यू हैव टू स्टे देयर. ओके, अभी तक आप घर में रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
कैसे मैनेज करेंगे?
Sir, studying in RMS is itself a matter of pride for me.
Okay.
I know very well that if I am serve in army as an officer, I have done homesickness. For me, the Kashmir to Kanyakumari is same.
आपके लिए कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी एक ही बात है.
Yes, sir.
दैट्स गुड. अच्छा, मुझे बता सकते हैं कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स और वीकनेस क्या है?
I need to improve my fluency in English.
ओके,
For this, I am reading storybooks in English.
दिस इज योर वीकनेस.
Yes, sir.
एंड व्हाट आर स्ट्रांग पॉइंट्स?
My strength are that I am disciplined and self-confident boy.
वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन टू गेट भारत रत्न.
Indira Gandhi.
वेरी गुड. नाउ माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज पाकिस्तान's नेशनल गेम
Hockey.
एंड इंडिया's?
Hockey.
Okay. Now I'm giving chance to Mr. M. Arjun. He is from Tamil Nadu. Mr. M. Arjun, have your question.
What is the Brazil's national game?
Football.
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay. Next, please.
Tell about your hobbies.
My hobbies are playing football and hockey and reading storybooks.
Next, please.
As you are from Madhya Pradesh, so tell me about your town and your state.
I belongs to Itarsi, which is famous for handloom and clothing.
Handloom and clothing.
Yes, sir.
Very good. My next question to you is, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing football, hockey and reading storybooks.
Okay. What type of storybooks do you read?
Some motivational.
Motivational.
Yes,
You
sir.
learn those things. What do you learn from these stories?
So,
You might say, I learn moral lessons.
Yes.
Isn't it? Chaliye. Now my next question is to you that you want to come in military school. You must be knowing about RMS and all this. So you know their establishment dates also.
no.
Please tell.
Sir, RMS Chahal.
The oldest.
The oldest military school. Rashtriya Military School Chahal 1925. Rashtriya Military School Ajmer 1930. Rashtriya Military School Bangalore 1946 and Rashtriya Military School Dholpur 1962. Rashtriya Military School Belgaum 1945.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
it is correct.
Very nice. Now my next question to you is, tell me the Indian Army ranks.
General, Lieutenant General, Major General, Brigadier,
Today
Colonel,
tell me of Air Force.
Air Force, Air Vice Marshal,
Air Chief Marshal.
Air Chief Marshal, Air Marshal, Air Vice Marshal, Group Captain,
Air Commander.
Air Commander, Group Captain, Squadron Leader,
Very good.
and
Flight Lieutenant.
Flight Lieutenant or Flight Officer.
Flying
Flying Officer.
Flying Officer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the spelling of Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
No. Lieutenant. And what is the spelling of Colonel?
Colonel.
Very nice. Tell me about the ranks in Navy.
Navy. So,
First is Admiral.
Admiral,
No,
Vice
it is Admiral.
Admiral.
Yes.
Admiral, Vice Admiral,
Yes.
Rear Admiral,
Yes.
Commander, Captain,
Yes.
or Commander.
Colonel Commander.
Colonel Commander or
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant Commander, Lieutenant, Sub-Lieutenant.
Very good. Now my next question to you is, I want to know about yourself. Like, what does your name mean?
Mine.
And your qualifications.
I'm sure my name means bravery.
Bravery.
Yes, sir.
So you are a brave boy.
Yes, sir.
Can you match your meaning with your personality?
I'm very much similar to my name as I love challenges.
Okay.
I belongs to Itarsi, which is famous for handloom clothing.
Okay.
I
I
done,
want to know about your education.
I have done my 5th standard from Eklavya International School with 85%.
85%.
Yes, sir.
Very good. And which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is orange. Orange is the symbol of joy, success, creativity.
Okay. Today I have brought some general questions for you. Would you like to answer me?
Yes sir.
नाइटिंगेल ऑफ इंडिया किसे कहा गया है?
Sarojini Naidu.
ओके. और पाकिस्तान का नेशनल गेम कौन सा है?
Hockey.
वेरी गुड. वीर भूमि किसे कहा गया है?
Rajiv Gandhi.
राजीव गांधी के प्लेस को. और कुछ हॉकी प्लेयर्स के नेम बताएंगे आप मुझे?
Yes sir.
बताइए.
Mandeep Singh, Sandeep Singh, and Major Dhyan Chand.
वेरी गुड. और नाउ आई एम गिविंग चांस टू मिस्टर एम अर्जुन. हैव योर क्वेश्चंस प्लीज.
What first vice president of India?
Dr. S. Radhakrishnan.
Yes, sir. This is correct.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट मिस्टर तनिष्क.
So tell me about the partition of India and Pakistan.
Don't know.
Partition of India and Pakistan was held in 1947. The Pakistan got independence on 14 August 1947 and India got independence on 15 August 1947. And the line drawn between was McMahon.
You must be knowing that about the line.
McMahon.
McMahon. Okay. So when he is giving you answers, you should tell him what you are supposed to tell.
Sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for updating my knowledge. Speak.
Thank you, sir, for updating my knowledge.
Very nice. And suppose you don't listen any question, then what you will say? May I beg your pardon, please, sir? What you will say?
May I pardon you?
May I beg your pardon, please, sir?
May I
beg your
beg your
pardon, please, sir?
pardon, please, sir?
Very nice. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Stated very well. You are giving good answers. Just have a smile and be confident. Okay? Chaliye. Now my next question to you is that you are coming in Rashtriya military schools, so you know there is lots of competitions also. So why should we take you for this school?
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Okay.
I am determined.
Not determined, it is determined. So you'll say I am determined and dedicated person if you are using this word. Continue.
Determined and dedicated person. I will justify your selection and please give me one chance to show my strength.
Very good. Now tell me that first women ruler कौन सी थी इंडिया की?
Razia Sultan.
Okay. और biggest city area wise?
Mount Isa.
Okay. So Shakespeare of India?
Kalidas.
चलिए क्वेश्चन मैं ऑलरेडी आपसे पूछ चुका हूँ ना. Mr. Shaurya, tell me your 5-year plan of life.
Sir, first I will join the Rashtriya Military School. I will study here with my 100% honesty and sincerity.
Okay.
I will participate each and every activity of my school. 7-year tenure. I would like to become officer in army.
Okay. This is your next 5-year plan of life.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलिए Mr. Shaurya, suppose you are not selected, then what you will do?
Sir, it is my aim to make my career in RMS and I am confident I am selected. Unfortunately, I am not get selected. At least this time, at least I would at least come to know about my weakness. I will work upon it and definitely selected in my next interview.
Okay.
Sir, I believe in try and try again.
Very nice. So it's the right time to give you blessings. Keep it up.